The ThermoPro wireless meat thermometer is a versatile and reliable product that offers a seamless cooking experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing product reviews, I can confidently say that this thermometer stands out for its exceptional features and performance. One of the standout features of the ThermoPro wireless meat thermometer is its rechargeable capability. By eliminating the need for constant battery replacements, this product offers convenience and cost-effectiveness. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned professional, the ThermoPro allows you to focus on your cooking without worrying about battery life. The sleek black color of the ThermoPro adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space. It effortlessly blends into any kitchen decor, making it an attractive addition to your culinary setup. This attention to detail and aesthetics showcases ThermoPro's commitment to providing a premium product to its customers.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.